Hey guys, TechNick here, and today we have something a bit different to test out in the studio, that being Hisense's new gaming-centric 4K TV, the 65E7N Pro. It's available in 55 or 65 inches, but we'll be unboxing and testing out the larger version of the two. Since this TV is targeted toward gamers, it has all the gaming-centric features you would want from a TV to set you up nicely for your next-gen consoles. This includes high refresh rates, AMD FreeSync Premium for VRR, fast response times, and even an on-screen FPS counter. We'll get to all of that soon, along with a speaker test, since it packs in extremely loud speakers with a built-in subwoofer. But for now, let's focus on what comes in the box. As you saw earlier, the TV's feet are made from strong metal, so it sits down solid on a table. But of course, you can also wall mount it if that's what you'd prefer. There's a separate power cable, which is always good to see, an AV cable, and of course a premium feeling remote, which is bundled with some batteries. After feeling at peace with a 4-year warranty, I spent some time with the setup guide, but I was just too excited to get things going. The TV itself is very thin and its black plastic feels solid. It has slim bezels which are quite symmetrical, and the bottom bezel has a nice silver finish to match that of its feet. In the center of its chin there's a black bar which houses the power button that lets you switch input sources, and next to it sits a built-in microphone with a switch to turn it on or off so that you can use Vita Voice or Alexa without having to touch anything. Alternatively, you can use the microphone button on the remote for this. On the right side of the TV there's a port for the power cable, and on the left you'll find the rest of the ports, which includes USB-A, 4 HDMI ports, an antenna input, AV in, and a headphone jack. Just behind this side of the TV there's a LAN port, digital audio output, and a second USB-A port. And then dead center at the back of the TV you'll find a 20-watt subwoofer which works with the two 10-watt downfiring speakers. There's cable management slots on the back of each TV stand foot, and when hooking up your consoles, remember to use a high-speed HDMI cable, as HDMI 3 and 4 are both HDMI 2.1 compliant, which is what you need for high frame rate gaming. My first impressions after getting things up and running is wow, this thing is massive. Don't get me wrong, I've had large TVs before, but 65 inches is just insane. It might not be as big as a 100-inch TV, but the pixels will be tighter, so quality will be better up close. I feel this size is the sweet spot for TVs. You can sit relatively close, but more importantly, you can sit far enough back and still feel immersed. I never noticed much glare while testing, and viewing angles are very good with 178 degrees on both sides, since this QLED model uses direct LED backlighting technology, which works pretty similar to mini LEDs. Thousands of LEDs are mounted directly onto the panel, providing more uniform backlighting across the screen, which leads to better picture quality and contrast. Picture quality is even better on the E7N Pro, as it is paired with quantum dot color that provides over 1 billion shades of vivid color. Quality is further enhanced with full array local dimming, which is possible due to the D-LED arrangement, and contrast sits at a 2000:1 ratio, which helps produce darker darks. It has 400 nits of peak brightness, which is plenty for entertainment and gaming, but the cherry on top is that it offers HDR10+ and Dolby Vision for supported movies and games. Speaking of gaming, it has an 8 millisecond response time and a 144Hz screen refresh rate, which can be boosted all the way up to 240Hz due to frame interpolation if you're gaming on PC. Next-gen consoles cap games out at 120 FPS, but thankfully the new Xbox and PlayStation both offer variable refresh rate gaming, so the inclusion of AMD FreeSync Premium is certainly going to help it when it comes to screen tearing. In the settings menu of my Xbox Series S, you'll find there are absolutely no limitations. This TV has it all. And once you hop into a game, you can toggle on the TV's game bar to adjust settings on the fly and even enable an on-screen FPS counter. Unfortunately, not all console games support high frame rate gaming, but Ori and the Will of the Wisps has a 1080p 120 FPS option, and it feels extremely smooth on the E7N Pro. Colors are extremely vibrant, and while quality is downscaled to 1080p due to the Xbox's hardware, things still look clear when sitting far enough back. If you notice any screen flickering or unclear image quality, it's not the TV at all, but rather the camera I used to record this. The TV looks crystal clear in real life. Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 is another game that can be set to a 120Hz refresh rate, but of course the game is again downscaled to support high frame rates with the simple Xbox hardware. You really notice high frame rates when playing fast-paced games like this, and the Hisense E7N Pro had no issues keeping up. It's also really good to see VRR working when you take a look at the FPS counter on the top left. You really don't want noticeable frame drops when playing a shooter. I have a pretty beefy gaming PC, so the hardware limitations seen on the Xbox aren't apparent when playing pretty much any game. Unfortunately, I have an Nvidia graphics card, and many previous Hisense TVs supposedly didn't support 144Hz at 4K resolution when they launched. I did some digging though, and apparently software updates fixed this issue, so hopefully Hisense address this soon. The good news is that we can still play PC games at 120Hz when set to 4K, and if you tamper with the settings on Windows, you'll find that you can get 144Hz when dropping the resolution to 1440p. There's also a 240Hz option when you drop further down to 1080p, but this isn't native refresh rate, more like motion smoothing, which uses frame interpolation to add in fake frames. All that said, 4K 120fps is certainly the sweet spot if you want smooth gameplay at the highest possible resolution, so I'll be sticking to that. Forza Horizon 5 is one of those games you want to play in 4K, and it's easy to switch to 120fps in the game settings menu. Unfortunately, you can't use the built-in TV FPS counter when on PC, but I prefer my own FPS counters on PC anyway, so it wasn't a problem for me. I have never quite experienced such an immersive time with Forza. This Hisense TV is certainly going to be my go-to when playing relaxed PC games. When booting up Assassin's Creed Mirage, I noticed a 240Hz option even when set to 4K, which is really good to see, but unfortunately my RTX 3080 Ti would never be able to push this game at such a high frame rate when set to 4K. Needless to say, the game looked stunning on this TV and felt very smooth thanks to variable refresh rates, which by the way worked when turning on Nvidia's G-Sync. But my favorite middle ground between the Xbox and PC is no doubt my PS5, and the E7N Pro checks all the right boxes when hooking it up to my PlayStation. This TV supports absolutely everything the PS5 has to offer in terms of resolution and frame rate, and thankfully one of my favorite games, Spider-Man Miles Morales, has a 120Hz refresh rate option. When setting the game to performance with ray tracing, the game fluctuated between 70 and 80 frames per second. When looking at the FPS counter, you'll certainly notice some frame drops from time to time, but thanks to AMD FreeSync Premium, I never felt those drops. Another PlayStation exclusive I just had to try out was of course Gran Turismo 7, which also supports a 120Hz output. We averaged around 110 frames per second, and the game was truly brought to life on Hisense's latest gaming TV. Out of curiosity, are you a Forza or Gran Turismo fan? Let me know which one is your go-to in the comments down below. Some games, such as EA Sports FC 24, lock their frame rates at 60 FPS, but they still come to life in terms of color accuracy and image quality with the Hisense E7N Pro. Hisense is a global sponsor of the Euro 24 football tournament in Germany, so naturally I had to play a football game on this monster of a TV. To celebrate the Euro, Hisense is currently running a promotion called Beyond Glory, where you can win a share of up to 1 million rand in cash and prizes if you purchase any Hisense product priced over 6,000 rand. Be sure to check the description and comment section for more info. No movie, game or football match is enjoyable without good sound, so thankfully Hisense have included some seriously good speakers in here. Most TV speakers are terrible, so I usually pair them up with a soundbar, but thanks to the loudness of the E7N Pro speakers, deep bass due to the built-in subwoofer, and inclusion of Dolby Atmos, I felt no need to hook up external speakers. Before giving you a taste of what they sound like, bear in mind that I used a shotgun mic on the top of my camera to capture audio, and it was zoomed in, sitting around 2 meters away from the TV.
And they go with just one in attack.
Rhino here to protect you this time, my dude.
Gaming might be the main selling point of this TV, but the E7N Pro is also suited to the average TV binging household thanks to all the unique features I've already mentioned, and more. The TV's user interface is clean and simple to navigate, there are plenty apps pre-installed, and there is an app store filled with all the necessary apps you might want. There's a browser if you would like to Google something to prove your family wrong, a voice assistant which is very accurate and can even adjust volume, find a show or open an app for you. You can use screen sharing from a Windows PC or Android phone, and there is even built-in Apple AirPlay so you can easily hook up your Mac or iOS device. And to round things off, there are plenty things you can customize in settings, especially when it comes to sound and picture, such as being able to change lip syncing to sync video and audio, adjust equalizer levels, change the bass boost gain, toggle Dolby Atmos, and adjust an insane amount of picture settings to your heart's desire. The Hisense E7N Pro is 65 inches of pure gaming glory thanks to its 4K resolution, 144Hz refresh rate, and AMD FreeSync premium technology. It's also the perfect size for you and the family when you want to just kick back and enjoy some TV binging thanks to its vibrant colors, crystal clear image quality, and impressively wide viewing angles. I'm super excited to set mine up in the lounge for the whole family to enjoy and jump into some silky smooth gaming once they all fall asleep on the couch. I'll be sure to leave prices, links, and promos in the description down below since this is still a very new TV, but for now let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. This is TechNick and I'll catch you in the next one.